What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today I'm here with a helpful video to show you guys how to switch between Android and iOS. So suppose that you got a new iPhone and you want to switch from your Android device. Today I'm going to be using the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm going to show you guys a really easy tool from my friends over at Dr. Phone, using the Dr. Phone switch tool, how to do this. Going to need a few things to get started. Of course, you're going to need both of the phones, the source phone and the phone you're copying to. You can go either way. You can go from Android to iOS or vice versa. You're going to need a computer, of course. I'm going to be using my MacBook Pro. And of course, you're going to need a cable for each device. So here I'll be using the Lightning cable for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And of course, I'll be using a USB Type-C connector for my Note 10 Plus. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to boot up the computer, and then we're going to go ahead and plug in both of these devices and show you guys how to switch between Android and iOS very, very easily. All right, YouTube, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Dr. Phone software. You guys can see here the website. It is Dr. Phone Switch. You can download the tool here. They do have a nice paid tool, so you know you're getting great software. They do great development on this software. I've done lots of videos with Wondershare in the past, and all of their software is top-notch, very easy to use. Transfer content between all iOS and Android devices. You can see all the manufacturers right there. Supports all different data types, music, calendar, contacts, all that stuff. It's basically just a one-click once you plug them in. And of course, that's what makes it really easy. You don't have to worry about doing anything in the cloud or losing your data or anything like that. So once you do download this from the website, it's going to look like this right here, as you guys can see. This is the Dr. Phone tool. The Dr. Phone tool has a whole bunch of different options. We're going to be using the switch option in particular, which is right here. You can go ahead and click on the switch option in order to get started. It's going to load right up, and this is where we're going to need to plug in our devices. So you can either choose to use a source device from Android or iOS, and once you do choose the source device, then you can start the copying process. So this is what the window looks like right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose a source phone. So in this case, I'm going to choose my Android phone. So you guys can see here, I do have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus via USB-C. That's going to get plugged in. It's going to recognize the device. You guys can see right here that it is recognizing my device. And of course, one thing that you have to do, as you notice right there, is you will need to unlock the device when you want to start using it. So you'll want to go ahead and access the device by unlocking it, and then you can get started. In order to enable USB debugging, you'll go ahead and go into the About Phone section, and then once you find the About Phone section, you'll see right down here in software information, you're going to go into the build number, go ahead and tap on that until you enable developer options. Once you do enable developer options, you can go back, and then you'll see developer options here at the bottom. Once you scroll down, you'll see USB debugging right there. You'll be able to enable it, say allow USB debugging, and then once you do allow USB debugging, you'll be able to see that actually on the Dr. Phone software. It will allow you to go ahead and start doing the transfer. So now you can see it's going to go ahead and install the connector app on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. That's what's going to prepare us to go ahead and start the transfer procedure. Now, you will need to make sure that you confirm the prompts on your actual phone as you're going through this. And once you do that, you can click OK here, and we'll start loading the data. It's going to take a second to load it up, but once it does load it up, then we'll be ready to go ahead and switch over. So you can change messaging app, make sure you do that so that you'll be able to copy your contacts, messages, and things like that. Now, once you have that ready to go, you'll now want to set up your destination phone. So you can see I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up by plugging it right in. Make sure your phone is unlocked. Plug that in using the Lightning connector, and then it's gonna recognize that as the destination device. The Apple iPhone, you go ahead and do trust, and then of course, make sure that you do install the software update if it does prompt you to do so. So you'll be able to allow the computer to access information, access the iPhone using the iTunes Store, and then also enter your PIN if you need to go ahead and begin the process of transferring over. So you just need a couple of prompts to do that. It'll go ahead and access all the information that you need inside of the app, and then it's going to start the procedure once it installs the update. So I'm going to go ahead and let it go ahead and install the update. We'll come back and I'll show you guys how to transfer over the various pieces. Alright, so you guys can see right here, once you have everything connected, you'll be able to go ahead and choose anything that you're interested in transferring over. For instance, I might want to transfer over my photos, might want to transfer over some of my music, anything like that. Go ahead and start the transfer. Whatever it is you're interested in, you can pick as many things as you want. And then once you transferred over, it's going to start right up. Transfer things over using the copying data tool. Just one click for you. And as you can see, it's going to start transferring all of that music. And then you'll be all set with your iPhone. Alright guys, so as you can see right there, all 167 items that I chose to transfer from my Android phone to my iPhone were completely done. I can go ahead and click OK. The transfer has finished and we're completed the process. Alright YouTube, so that was my video showing how to transfer between your Android phone to iOS. You can also go the other way. You can transfer anything you need using the Dr. Phone Switch software. I'm going to be dropping all the links below if you guys are interested in checking out their software. I highly recommend it. They've got some great products. All the information will be in the description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. You guys can find me at dopetechdaily.site, Google+, Instagram, Twitter, the links in the description. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe so I can make future videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.